I majored in apparel design in college. I went to pastry school to become a pastry chef.
I was a waitress for years. I had never painted before in my life.
I went on to get a background in graphic and web design, as well as I used to be a tattoo artist.
I worked in animation at Nickelodeon Animation Studios.
I used to work in a corporate office environment.
I was a professional photographer. I've sold my studio.
Not only was I working as a physician, I had children and had limited time.
When I was a teenager, I went to the art school. I didn't stay there too long because it was not really teaching me a lot.
I had kind of gotten to like the height of what I thought I could accomplish in the design world, and it still wasn't as fulfilling as I thought it would be.
I was an animator. Being an animator was not very fulfilling, so I wanted to do more fine arts, and that's when I found Mastery Program.
I was so hooked on this idea of taking the Mastery Program because I felt stagnant in what I could find out for myself, and I knew that that would take my skill set to the next level if I put the work in, obviously.
This program was not just about the skills, it was about knowing yourself. For me, basically it was like peeling the layers of the onion, and the deeper I went into my journey, the more I got to know about myself.
And I think you get to a point where you're like, you want to be true to yourself and you want to share your message with the world. It just felt possible all of a sudden. So it was a shift. It was all of a sudden I found the program and signed up the same day, which is crazy.
Stepping into the Mastery Program and completing it and becoming a professional artist, as well as being involved with a lot of the Milan Art projects that they have, has just really opened up a new world for me.
Before the Mastery Program, there was a lot of frustration because I couldn't find any information on techniques, and everything was just scattered over, around the internet.
This program deeply acknowledges that healing is part of your process of becoming a professional artist.
I found the Mastery Program, and so then I realized, like, I can really do this as a career option.
I didn't know how to produce fine art. Where do I sell it? What are all the different avenues of getting it out there?
Section 2 helped me learn a lot about myself as not just an artist, but as a person, and the interest that I have in the beauty that I see in the world, and what really inspires me and what I should kind of continue looking for.
With the Milan Mastery Program, the most transformative thing that I've learned is really that there are so many different techniques to produce an image. There's so many ways to get your creativity flowing.
Incredible. There's so much content. I just feel like all your questions would be answered, really, in terms of learning to draw, paint, whether it's acrylics or oils, drawing, pencil, charcoal. I feel like I'm never going to be bored for the rest of my life now.
I felt like I could never draw growing up, and I feel like in the program they actually taught me a way to do it that made sense. These guys were like, hey, here's 4 different ways to draw, and it worked.
I think this program helps really give you real life experience. It's very encouraging to get you out into galleries, get you to talking to collectors in person, even building a relationship with collectors online.
I love the outline of the program too, starting with the skills, finding your voice, then focus on the business. Not a lot of schools and programs do that.
It's just been amazing how this program empowers you and gives you all that you need to know to be in shows or apply to galleries or just run about your business in art, and actually treat it like a business more than just being a hobbyist or just being an artist.
And there was so much about the course, learning your own voice and learning how to brand yourself, that really it's about your art, but it's about your business as well.
I like that we paired art education with voice education and business education so that they could all come together.
Their commitment to not just you finding your voice, but their commitment to you having a successful business, that was the important part.
Ellie really helped me to find belief in myself and trust that my vision for my art was unique and special and necessary.
Ellie doesn't leave any stone unturned. When she's educating, she'll describe it, she'll show it, just describe it perfectly without using academic language. It's hard to understand.
She explains things really clearly, like she talked about cools and warms with oil paints, which I didn't even know that was a thing.
I was really excited and inspired by Ellie and just her vision for artists taking over the world.
You end up learning more than you ever have with Ellie. She has taken this art school, not only in person and then online, and has this incredible team of people supporting her to really relay the message of find your destiny and making it accessible to anyone at all levels.
Demetra is just such a gentle soul. With Demetra's guidance, with the process of going through oil painting and then mixed media, I've started to see how my work could stand out.
I can tell that she loves nature and animals and beauty. I really, really love nature, so I'd like to incorporate some of that into my art as well.
She really knows her stuff. At 25 years old, she's got the wisdom that maybe people never even acquire in their lifetime.
I love the way that this program wants to help you build a community for yourself.
The thing that helped me was showing up to the community and kind of like feeling my way out, like, can I tell them I'm having a difficult time? Especially coaches, hearing from them that they had a hard time, they were crying, you know, and that really helped to feel like you belong, like this is for you, this is normal, and there's things that you need to work through to become an artist.
The support is so great, the resources are so abundant.
We created all the inside jokes and everything that you need to bond without the feeling of competition or needing to be better at something than someone else.
I can lose the motivation when I'm just on my own in my own space. So to be able to connect with people online and actually for people to look at your work is incredible. So well worth the money.
The women here have brought joy to my heart, my soul that I haven't felt in a really long time. We've been able to empower each other. We've created this beautiful art. There's all this beautiful art everywhere, but the connection, it's filled this void that was there.
The Milan Art community, it is a community, and they're my people. So I am now part of this community, and I just started coaching, which I'm super excited about. I get to give back a lot of what I have gained, so I'm very passionate about that.
Now I'm able to encourage other new artists to do the same thing, to trust their gut, to believe that what they have to offer doesn't have to look like anybody else's art to be worthy of being created.
I did get to open up my own studio and gallery. I've done shows. I make a full-time living off of this, more than I would have by staying at my coffee shop jobs.
I went from, you know, painting on little canvases and feeding big canvases to painting huge murals on walls without projectors, without anything, just freehand, being able to scale it up, being able to just be like, yeah, I've got this.
I was able to go along with everybody else and learn who I was as a painter.
I've been exhibiting all over the world and have my work in galleries in US, India, and other places.
Over the years, my voice is evolving and new ideas come, but thanks to Mastery Program, I can, really describe it, know how to work with it, know how to structure it, and I have a lot of confidence because of that.
I can't imagine that I would be where I am now, completely having quit my job, doing shows, having a website the way it is. None of those things, I can't imagine. I think it would have taken me 5 to 10 more years to be where I am now. So it certainly accelerates the process.
I cannot believe how quickly my drawing skills drastically improved. It was really, really exciting. And I now truly believe that I do feel I have it in me to become a really, really good artist and maybe even professional, and I never would have thought that a year ago.
Maybe only a couple weeks in, I was offered the chance to do an art show. People started buying my paintings, so that really boosted my confidence that maybe this could actually work out. So I had graduated in the summer, and then that next following summer, I did end up having my first solo show, which was really exciting. Ended up selling over half of the pieces, and so through that, the continued success, I guess, is kind of why I'm here today.
I just felt like I was already a professional artist by the time I graduated. It didn't feel like I was an amateur, even though I had only been painting for a year.
Art is a completely teachable thing.
I think that there's this beautiful gift in the program for each individual person. I think that in any case, you're going to learn so much about yourself. It's not just for your art, but also for your humanity.
I have never heard that somebody said, oh, I tried it and it wasn't for me. Everybody finds something for them in the program.
There's so much value when you sign up. You are going to become a different person as long as you do the work.
I felt like the Milans were committing to my success and they really wanted to see me through it.
My older brother, who's tremendously successful, he told me, I cannot think of a better bargain than the program that you've just told me about, because college would cost you many multiples of what the master's program cost. You not only are saving thousands and thousands of dollars, but you have the opportunity to get all that information in a super short window of time.
If you were thinking about taking the mastery program, I would say that you should take every opportunity to better ourselves and to really try to find who we are as a person. And I think that it was just something that will forever change my life, and I know that it can change yours.
This could prove to be a best decision of your life, as it did for me, because it just empowered me in a beautiful way, and it gave me a sense of confidence and wholeness in my life, and I would want that for everybody out there.
When I was on the fence, it was more of a financial commitment I was pretty scared of. Financial commitment, scared of failing even. I've been on both sides of it, and I really want everyone to experience the better side of it. So keep following your dreams because they're in you for a reason.
They offer the learning and the coaching. I think everyone can benefit from that in the long run. So I hope to see you guys there.